Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the count formula. So you have a lot of uh, topics or a lot of things should be counted. So you can just use this count formula to count it easily by using this formula on your Google Sheet on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the count if unique values formula, how to count the unique value of the things. For an example, here I just have a three different things like cat, dog, and goat. So just going to copy it again and again by filling something extra and here. So now I just need to count the unique value of the list. For an example, how many cats were here, or how many dogs here, or how many goats here, like that. So we're just going to take this here, the value here, then you just need to use this formula. So press the equal symbol on your keyboard, then you just need to type as count if. So count and if formula. So I'm just talking about the pop-up, just click on this. Now you just need to select the range first. So the range should be selected from here to here. Okay, now have a comma option. So now you have to use the citation. So just select this and choose this and click on the enter symbol, and you have this option called autofill and click this. So total of 7 cat words and 5 dog words and 3 goat words are here. This is so easy and useful, so you can find all the unique terms of your list on the Excel by using this formula. Actually the formula will be equal to the range, comma, and the range that you just need to find the unique value. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will be in our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.